Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a thing. First, during this quarantine, I downloaded TikTok. Now, I am tie-dyeing everything in sight. If you saw on a couple videos ago, my Amazon haul, I finally got my hands on some bleach. And based on everybody's TikToks and videos, from what I've seen, this Clorox cleaning bleach gel is the one that makes more of a cool tone bleach rather than that warmer orangey tone. So after months of waiting for this to come back in stock, I finally got my hands on it. Super excited. Yesterday I did a test shirt just to kind of see if I could do it. I didn't really find too many thorough tutorials, so hopefully this one is super helpful because this is kind of what I was looking for in a video, but I couldn't find it. I did a test shirt yesterday and this is how it came out. I just did a long sleeve black shirt. I'm super happy with how it came out. I personally don't like a lot of bleach on the clothes. I just kind of want to have like little spurts of bleach everywhere. So this came out super cute. And of course today it was like 85 degrees. Tomorrow it's gonna be like 95, and all of the clothes that I bought on Amazon are like long sleeve shirts, sweats, all of that. So unfortunately I won't be able to wear any of it right away. I think I have a couple shorts so I could wear those, but as for this, I'll have to wait till it gets a little bit cooler, but it is so hot today. So I'm super excited how this came out. Now I just want to tie-dye everything, so I'm probably going to go through my closet and see what else I can bleach. I also want to get my hands on some just like colored tie-dyes. You only need a few items, so you need the bleach. I recommend some gloves because when I did this one yesterday, I just did it with my hands and my hands smelled like bleach for the rest of the day. So I do recommend gloves. You'll need rubber bands and then some sort of clothing. If you want to quarantine and tie-dye with me, just keep watching. And okay, so what you will need is the Clorox cleaning bleach gel. From what I've researched, this one comes out more of a cool tone on your clothes rather than that orangey tone, so that's why I'm using this one. Some gloves. I tested out doing one yesterday and I didn't wear gloves and my fingers smelled like bleach for the rest of the day, so I do highly recommend gloves if you don't want your fingers smelling like bleach. A bunch of rubber bands and clothing that you want to bleach. Today I have a pair of shorts, a pair of sweats, biker shorts, a long sleeve tee, a crew neck sweatshirt. I bought all of this on Amazon, so I will try to link everything down below. I like the crinkle effect. You can do the swirl where you take the middle and swirl it. What I'm going to do is just basically bunch everything together, and I've already wet all of these clothes, so just make sure you dampen them. And I hope you guys can hear me okay because I am outside. Take your rubber band and secure the clothes. Just make sure it's pretty secure. I'm gonna do one more this way, like so. And so you want to do that to all of your clothing items. So now that we have all of our pieces nice and rubber band, what going to do is put on your gloves. You're going to apply your Clorox bleach all over the clothes on both sides. So I typically just kind of go crisscross. Make sure you get it. For the ones that have more clothing, what I'll do is I will go into the actual clothing and kind of just get some Clorox on the inside of the clothing. And also, one thing to note is you want to do this in a well-ventilated area because you don't want to be like in your bathroom with Clorox and pass out. So make sure you're doing it in a ventilated area. It's really hard to get gloves on when it's hot outside. And I don't know if it's because I'm outside and it's really hot, but yesterday when I made it, it took 30 minutes to even see a little bit of a change, but we literally just did this not even a minute ago and it's already changing, and it must be because it's really hot outside. So I might have to leave this in for less than 15 minutes. Set a timer for 15 minutes. It has now been 15 minutes and I'm gonna try to put my gloves back on. Ugh. My fingers are so sweaty.
1 hour later.
As you can tell, I think these two pieces of clothing have more cotton than this. These ones almost changed automatically to this like orangey color. And then these ones are more of like a cool toned grayish color. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take off the rubber bands. Next, you're just going to rinse all of your clothing under cold water. You're gonna use detergent, and for my washing machine, I did it on the hand washables, which is for 30 minutes, and make sure it is cold. So now we're going to pop them in the dryer. I don't know why these ones came out so much more orange. And then we're just gonna dry them like normal. Hey! I just got everything out of the dryer and it looks so good. I do the more orangey, the ones that came out more orangey. To be honest, I think, okay, let's take a look at what kind of material this is. So this one is 100% cotton and it is picking up pretty orange on camera. It did fade a little bit, so it's like kind of like an orangey whitish color, but this one's 100% cotton. Let me check what like the sweats. So the reason why this one and the biker shorts, the reason why they turned so quickly and they turned more of like an orangey color is this is 100% cotton. Don't quote me because I'm not too sure. This is just kind of what I've observed from what I bleached. The 100% cotton came out more orangey and it turned a lot faster than the other articles of clothing. These ones that turned out more of like an ashy color, which I love by the way, these are 50% cotton. So I feel like when it's 100% cotton, it absorbs the bleach better. But to be honest, this is what I was looking for. I was looking for more of this like ashy tone, cool tone bleach, because from what I've seen people's videos, people who use this bleach, the clinging bleach gel, it turned more of a cool tone. And if you were to just use this same exact product but just the regular toilet bowl bleach cleaner, that one turned a little bit more on the warm side. So let me just go through all the clothes that we bleached. So these are like that basketball cotton shorts. Super cute. Are some biker shorts. This is my first time ever bleaching or tie-dyeing anything, except for probably when I was like little and at camp. But if I can do it, I feel like it's pretty foolproof on how it comes out, and it comes out cute no matter what. Next, we have the sweatpants. This is the crew neck sweatshirt. Super cute again. And then the long sleeve. So I'll tell you what I did yesterday that was different from today. This is today's long sleeve. These are the same exact shirts, but as you can tell, it's not as orangey as like the shorts, but it's definitely more of like a warm tone rather than this one. This one is more warm tone and this one is a little bit more cool tone. Like there is some warm parts, but definitely more cool tone. So the difference between today's bleaching and yesterday's bleaching, so this is from yesterday and I feel like it's a little bit more warm tone than the same exact shirt that I tie-dyed today. And I think it's because, so yesterday was my first time doing it ever, and after 15 minutes I went to check on the shirt, and when I looked at it I could tell like it was fading a little bit, but definitely not as much as today's. So I actually left the bleach on here for about 30 to 40 minutes yesterday, and it was definitely cool tone, and then when it went into the dryer, that's when it turned a little bit more warmer. Again, this is just from what I've seen and experimented from my own clothing, but the longer you leave the bleach on, I think it gets a little bit more warmer with the bleach that I used. So for today's bleach, I left it on for 15-ish minutes, and it's definitely a little bit more cool tone than yesterday's shirt. So if you're using this bleach and you want a more cool tone, definitely check to see how much percentage cotton you're using. I didn't check before, but now I know. If you want more of that cool tone, just leave it on for about 15 minutes. But I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I'm definitely gonna order some crop tops and tank tops to bleach, because I don't know why I bought all sweatpants and long sleeve shirts, because now I can't even wear it because it's gonna be 93 degrees tomorrow. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.